All right, hello class. Welcome to lesson 5 in unit 7 on rational numbers. All right, this task is about a concession stand. The manager of the concession stand keeps records of all of the supplies she buys and all of the items she sells. The table shows some of her records for Tuesday. All right, you can look over the items that she has working with in her concession stand: donuts, straws, hot dogs, pizza, apples, French fries. All right, not the healthiest food in the world, sounds like, but that's what she's working with. And you can see the quantity, that's talking about the amount. And then you can see the value in dollars. And you'll notice that some of the values are negative and some of them are positive. So let's try to make sense of what that's going to mean in this context. So if you look at donuts, you can see that the amount is negative 58. Well, what do you think that means? Well, it means that 58 donuts went out, or she is down 58 donuts. And since she has a concession stand, that probably means she sold 58 donuts. Hopefully nobody stole it from her. It probably means that she sold 58 donuts, right? And she brought in for that $37.70. So I guess it's less than $1 per donut. But so that's kind of the idea of what we're looking for here. For straws, 3,000 straws she's gained. She probably had to buy those, right? And it looks like she spent a little over $10 for those straws. So that's kind of what they mean by the negatives and the positive values here. So number one, what items did she sell? Those are the ones that she would be down a certain amount. So that would be donuts, hot dogs, apples, and French fries. Those are all negative amounts, so those would be what she would have sold. All right. Number two, how can we interpret negative 58 in this situation? Negative 58 here, that would be talking about the number of donuts that she sold. Okay, and so how can we interpret negative 1035 in this situation? Let's find negative 1035. Oh, there it is. That's the amount of money that she would have spent on straws. Okay, and like we said, the positive amounts of money, that would be the amount of money that she brought in, the amount of money that customers paid her to get the items that they bought. And number four, on which item did she spend the most amount of money? Well, if we look at the amount she spent here, you can see here the positive amounts would be amounts she brought in. That was money she made. The negative amounts are the money that she spent. So which one did she spend the most on? It would have to be pizza. She spent over $116 on pizza. So that was the one she spent the most on.